Evangelist Ugochukwu-Uko bụ ofu nwoke nwafọ Igbo ọdịmma ndị Igbo na-eche ụra nke ukwuu. O tenarị nwa amadi a bidoro na-achọ ka ndị Igbo zọta oke ha ma si n'ohu wee pụọ na Naịjirịa. Ọkwa ya mere o ji chọpụta otu nke bụ Igbo Youth Movement. Evangelist Ugochukwu-Uko sokwa n'isi otu dị iche iche ndị na-achọ ọdịmma ndị Igbo. Oyoyo anyị na-ekiri ugbu a ọ karịa na 10 afọ abụọ ọ kpọkọrọ ndị ntorobịa dị iche iche na ndị Igbo kara aka ha nọrọ ka akpalụ ka ndị Igbo ga-esi wee tọpụ onwe ha n'agbụ, ya bụ ka ndị Igbo ga-esi wee keta oke ha. Ọ na-eme ihe a kemgbe na-ekwusighị ike, mana ọ dịkwa ka ihe na-ebe ka na-ebekwa. Ya mere ọ ka jijisikwa ike wee na-ekwu ya ka ndị Igbo chee echiche mara otu ha ga-esi jikọta aka wee pụta ihe ugbu a wee tọpụ onwe ha n'agbụ. Nke anyị na-ekiri ugbu a bụ agbata nke mbụ ya. Ị ga-afụ agbata nke abụọ kwamgbe ka ị ga na-afụ ụmụ oyoyo pụrụ iche nke na-agba akaebe na otenarị Evangelist Ugochukwu-Uko bidoro wee na-akpọkọnata ndị Igbo kara aka a na-akpọ alụ ka ndị Igbo ga-eji wee tọpụ onwe ha n'agbụ mmegide nke a na-emegide ha na Naịjirịa. Nke a bụ agbata nke mbụ. Sonyekwara Kpakpando TV ka ị wee kirie agbata nke abụọ nakwa ụmụ oyoyo kara aka na-akwalite ọdịmma ndị Igbo nke na-egosi na Kpakpando TV. Sonyere Kpakpando TV ka ị na-ekiri ụmụ ihe a niile.
Anime fungo.
Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all for being here today. I want to use the opportunity to announce the entrance of the chairman of this occasion, the Onoh of Igbo, Chizzy Onoh. We know that this is holiday period. This is Christmas and a lot of people are in their country home, spending time with families and what they want to spend time with a couple of days. So understand why the hall is not filled to capacity here. But nonetheless, we know that people are arriving, people are on their way. And without wasting much time, I would like to call on Chief Joe to lead us in prayer.
Chukwunna kere n'igwe n'ala. Anyị na-enye ya ekele ụbọchị nke taata ka i wee mee in unity n'inwe ịfụnanya n'onwe anyị maka ọganihu obodo anyị bụ Eastern Nigeria obodo anyị bụ Naijiria anyị na-ayọ gị site mmụọ nsọ gị ịba nọnyere anyị ime ka atụmatụ nke anyị bụ n'uche na ndụ nke anyị na-ene anya na the new millennium ka ọ bụrụ ife ga-amụta ozu mkpụrụ bụrụ ife ga-anọnyere anyị maka ụmụ anyị maka obodo anyị maka anyị ncha niile ile ka a na-ayọ site na Kristi n'ime anyị.
Because I want to plead with all the media men, people from the media organization, to come over to the first round now, please. If you're from the media, I am pleading that you come over to the first round now. If you're writing materials. History of the Bible. Achọrọ ịkọwa ebe anyị na-eme I want to chapter in history, where she can go, where Dallas. Whenever every Igbo, I want to continue, I want to represent the board. I want to Lagos, when I was membership line open to only Igbo selflessly and righteously committed towards defending, promoting Igbo interests above personal interest. Igbo interest above personal interest. And that is how we benefit. Overall, if I cannot easily say you get the Igbo interest above personal interest. If I remember, I get the way for the job, but I really commission on the buy of data about the buy of money. No, the answer. For the place, one interest in people above self-interest. I have a leader who I have a listen. Now, no matter what, I want to on cheap with me. But if I follow, when I need baby, when I find about 602, I don't want to go to America. I want to know why I need a people defend the bad interest in people selflessly and righteously, no self. But I have no wine below. I had grown 29 years after I had it. That can be buying. Buying a woman industry. The buying no Lagos, the pure water, the kilo, the opener, the handkerchief, the gospel. What do you want? The Kpakpando, who's I don't know. The choice is there will be anywhere for 4 hours. Or after the reason. The Kpakpando, one of the I don't want to live here. So I never got the name. Even now. And I got one who go on. Wherever we are doing, can I get to the data? Wherever, and if I get the control one again. I went decide here. Now you get to wherever I get, although my way to go, if I'm about Igbo youth movement, IYM. What I do to restore the dignity of the Igbo man. Can you now? I want to go. What about the Igbo man? I'm going to go. Actually, who actually who deputy of the National Assembly. I want to bring people who are as a group, because I know it's one who work by the Naya. If I know but Igbo. I don't think I want any idea, suggestion. That's why the cement in there and make a government. I never get to ourselves and I never be there. When I am the one in a way, we better look at that, but I don't go alone. I told Nigeria, I'm not going to get you. Then I jump with them, cut off mark, 2 6 years only, and you also 120. ndị adịghị state of origin mkpọrọ ala Igbo fana ewepụ wee sị na anyị wezụga ya ka anyị chenji anya ka ụmụ anyị bụ the free country ụmụ anyị rapụ Igbo ruru anyị bụ ọbụzịba IYM na-eme ewepụrụ ịnụ IYM gburu ibume ma anụ ndị ya gwa anyị naba keki yourself place ye interest of larger Igbo society above self. I want to support officers who never want to do this ago or who never want to know better. But if they go, I want to have sacrifice. If I didn't remember now, I actually don't know where they are. I want to do a continue with it. The one if they are going to make a blue. I had a make a call. I had a pocket of people. I didn't remember. Can they buy you also because of the careful? I'm going to wicked place. Same place. Of Igbo race. I will two choices. It's either I will do is happy, but they will go on the world. Only way to West last, world, one bullshit, that doesn't mean only way for. No matter how comfortable you go there. What on Abuja? All of the contract getting on so black area to him. All who go up with the I to be checked here. I ain't get to do before. Words of advice and wisdom. I will put your door. I now go for the food of any member. I might only born. You buy up with you. You might have a good millennium. You buy up with the old. Actually, I who now you are below. If I take a minute, can you wear some things about that? Who can I don't know. Once I invite Mr. Boniface to come out. Coming up, now we'll go more on Africa, please. Also, I went out trying the Boy State chapter coordinator Igbo Youth Movement, wherever. Igbo State chapter Igbo Youth Movement coordinator, wherever. Coordinator Igbo Youth Movement, Anambra, Enugu, and the other states, wherever. But so if I get a message, is also one of the coordinators of the Eastern Institution of IYM, the Mobile. So, Manatupu, about Kamkawalu, different elders na-emere anyị ife anyị ji na-emeta atakiri anya n'ihu. Anyị chọrọ ikene mmadụ dịka ọkwa dike maka na mgbe anyị bidoro ife anyị na-eme ụmụaka Igbo wee sị ka anyị tụkọrọ ego anyị anyị selfless union get interest in Igbo na anyị mebie righteous na selfless na ndị mmadụ ga-afụ anyị fụ na ndị enwe mesikwa interest in Igbo above personal interest. Na anyị na-aga ya nwere ndị gaba na-enye anyị advice counsel maka na anyị ga-abụ ụmụazị anyị na-ahụ gate na anyị nwe ebe niile ịbụrụ nwere ebe anyị ga-eje. Anyị dị wise counsel. So ndị be anyị bụ our leaders ndị wepụtara oge fa wepụta their time, resources, energy and talent wee na-ekwu ụtọ anyị turu bụ mmadụ dịka Dr. Chukwuemeka Ezife ọkwa dịka Igbo bugoro enyere anyị ọzọ. So anyị agago n'ime ozugbo ozugbo unu n'anya na ebe anyị fụ na nke mbụ agago bụ another of guests, nke bụ aga bụ introduction of chairman and the other guests, nke ịtọ ga bụ opening prayer, nke ịnọ ga bụ address by the president of IYM. Now ife ọzọ bụ major thing bụ mgbe chairman anyị ga-agwa anyị okwu, mana tupu chairman anyị agwa anyị okwu anyị chọrọ ịkpafanye obere oge ka ndị Igbo movement a home branch, maka na Igbo movement nọ na Amerịka na-awanye, ndị nọ London na-awanye, ndị nọ Abuja na-awanye, ndị nọ Lagos na-awanye, ndị na-ebe ya nwere ndị ji hope ebe n'ụwa. Achọrọ m ịkpọ the coordinator of the Igbo youth movement Imo State, Mr. Chiagora Osita, ka ọ bịa kwuo ka ọ dịtara obi kwuo bene unu wee ghọta gbara nwa ụmụaka Igbo of an happy.
Igbo leaders of thought and elders, governors and deputy governors, senators, ministers and commissioners, federal and state legislators, human rights activists, ladies and gentlemen. On the aspirations of Igbo youth and the frustrations that they experience within the Nigerian state, a note delivered on behalf of the Igbo youth movement on the World Igbo Convention. We are very glad to welcome you to this new era of Igbo emancipation and get together. This meeting is very crucial to the Igbo race in general, for we are together today to put heads together on how to create a landmark in this new millennium. As we enter into the new millennium, it is very important to equip our youths with knowledge as they aspire to have equal opportunities. Portrayed as the most enterprising people of the Black world, it is common to find an Igbo man excelling almost in every aspect of human life. Example is sports, arts, science, music, technology, business, education, politics, etc. It is a point of note that before and after independence, while various sections of this country were clamoring for their own rebel interests, Zip and the Igbo people were fighting for the interests of the country in general. But unfortunately, because of how the Igbos are generally treated, it is very clear that our efforts have not been appreciated. Although that every Igbo youth dreams to be useful to himself, and the people around him, the Igbo youth, unlike others, is very ambitious, hardworking, and aspires to be an icon of his time. An Igbo youth would prefer to be dead than to be a failure in life. He is ready to outpace his counterparts during healthy competitions. But because of the nature of the country we find ourselves, where there is a clash of culture and interest, where hard work and honesty is almost ignored. When some prominent Igbo sons, all the way from the east, rushed to Lagos just to express their grievances against their brother. The crisis in Enugu and Abia State has become an embarrassment, not only to the indigenes of those states, but to every concerned Igbo man in general. We believe that it is time that Igbo leaders of thought and elders intervene before it gets out of hand. Also, we call on the warring factions.
Please, I'm sorry to interrupt this speech. I want to announce the arrival here of the People's General. NDIGBO.
Also, we call on the warring factions to please settle their differences, come together and plan on how to move their states forward. We beckon on our leaders to talk with one voice because your unity gives us high morale. Your coming together to demand reparation for all the atrocities committed on the Igbo man gives us a sense of pride. We call upon our few brothers who have gone astray or who have compromised themselves to positions that are detrimental to their people to repent and recognize with their brothers' aspirations, because nobody can win a war against his people. What worries an average Igbo youth is the lukewarm attitude of some Igbo businessmen to invest in the East, when it is very clear that Igbo investments outside the East risk being destroyed at any minor crisis. Some will prefer to invest in Kano, Lagos, Kaduna, etc., thereby robbing their kinsmen that avenue of employment and development. The East is void of crisis, and it is only in a peaceful environment that business flourishes. On the call for the Sovereign National Conference, we call upon all Igbo leaders to suspend all talks on this issue until the 8.7 trillion reparation issue has been settled. Our main objectivity now should focus on how to realize that we are duly compensated for the atrocities committed against us before, during, and after the Civil War. Let us have one goal. Let us have one goal and one opinion at a time. Sovereign National Conference is good, but until the reparation is settled, no Igbo man has any justifying cause to rush into any Sovereign National Conference. It is like putting the cart before the horse. We want to use this medium to commend all Igbo men within and outside Igbo land for their sense of warm-heartedness and peacefulness. Even in this state of tribal conflicts, nobody has complained that an Igbo man has attacked him, either inside or outside Igbo land. It goes a long way to show the Igbo man's sense of maturity and respect for human rights and property. It is only when an Igbo man is attacked that he fights back. Let us continue to be our brother's keeper, the tolerable host, and the good tenant. We are against any form of violence, bloodletting, and intimidation, for these are sins of destruction. Even when we are killed and maimed in some parts of this country for no reason given, we didn't attack or kill anyone in Igbo land. Instead, we protected them. God is watching us. Top priority on the mind of Igbo youth as we enter into the new century is an aggressive industrialization and technological drive striving to reenact the Biafran science group miracle of the Civil War era. Example, the local petroleum refinery machine, designed and built by Biafran engineers, and the Shaw batteries, the Ogunigwe, etc. The total hope of the total emancipation of the Igbo race is to articulate the energies and talents of the artisans in Aba, the technicians of Tinka, Enugu, the craftsmen of Onitsha, and the blacksmiths of Oka, and they march on to economic revolution that will send positive tremors that will reverberate all over the West African landscape. We know it is possible. We believe that it is achievable. The time to start is now. Thank you very much.
I will just listen to one coordinator of the Southeast Zone of the Igbo Youth Movement, the coordinator of Igbo Youth Movement, Imo State. He's alive. What he just said is the pivot of IYN. We're trying to organize our energies to march into this new century with a more purposeful Igbo citizenry who will take their fate into their hands. And we believe it is achievable. We are moving on to the next item, which is the goodwill address by the Chairman of Education, Chizzy, Onoh.
Firstly, I want to congratulate the organizers and founders of the Igbo State movement. They deserve our congratulations. In doing so, I have to remind them that nobody is an island, entire whole and perfect. When the church bell tolls, regarding the death of a person, it tolls for you, it tolls for you, for we are part of mankind. That being said, you must try to extend your philosophy and ideology beyond Igbo land. Firstly, the old Eastern Nigeria. It is essential that we do all that is humanly possible to convince our brothers and sisters from Bayelsa to Rivers to Akwa and the Cross River that the things that bind us together is more important than the things that separate us. You people will hear about zones. The Northeast, the Northwest, North Central, Southwest, Southeast, and South-South. That is 6 zones. But one thing you will go into is that these advocates of the 6 zones made sure that the whole of former Western Nigeria is in one zone. The Midwest Union are created, but outside the Midwest, the old Western Nigeria, they are in one zone. Why is it then that in the old eastern Nigeria, we have the aspirating people. The reason is simple. Perhaps the old politicians must have made some mistakes. When you remember the crisis between Zik and Eritrea, and the crisis in the Eastern House of Assembly, and all these things culminating in the Civil War, you will discover that the mistake should be on both sides. For you, the new generation, I pray that you don't inherit the mistakes of your fathers, nor be punished because of the sins of your fathers.
Amen.
Having said that, I want the Igbo State Youth Movement to go out and preach the gospel of unity, the gospel of reconciliation, so that Eastern Nigeria is one. If you are not one, it means to be one you are waiting. Secondly, this is the age of the youth. As you are talking, regretting the fate of the Igbo man, so also our youths in other parts of the Federation are regretting what has happened. In the north, you have youthful governors elected, including that of Zamfara. The question you will ask yourself is that Abba Katapa Belero, as Prime Minister, did not introduce Sharia. Governor did not. Heroes did not. Obasanjo did not. Murtala Mohammed did not. Neither did Babangida nor Abacha. Why is it that now, after years, these things have not been introduced? Why is it that they are introducing it now? The answer is simple. Gumi did say that no person, a Muslim, can, if Muslim is not the president, the Muslim should not be the president. Therefore, for the simple reason that for the first time a Christian had been elected president, these things that have been dormant over the years, they are now rolling it off. It is youths like you that are doing it. Youths like you in Igbo land, in eastern Nigeria, indeed in the west, and the whole Nigeria should think, what is the counter to this? Secondly, idea sovereign national conference. Sovereign national conference. Churches said that he is not an elected prime minister to preside over the liquidation of the British Empire. Nobody would like to liquidate himself. A sovereign national conference means that when we sit down here and at the end of it we saw Obasanjo go, he goes because the conference is sovereign. We should ask for a national conference Two, there is nothing wrong, basically, with the independence constitution. Nzogbe, his first announcement, did not say the constitution is bad. No. He talked about we corrupt politicians, 10%. And he used the word 10%. Now it's 1,000%. So, the Constitution, by our founding fathers, is really a federal constitution. But the army has reduced it into a military constitution. The same reason they used in killing the Nelson. That's the one thing introducing the military constitution. It is not my intention to take much of your time. Our days are old. It's our job now to watch the youth. We have been on the stage a long time. The world is a stage. Men and women, each man in his time plays his part. And we pass our way. I thank you.
We are grateful to our government for the words of wisdom he has given us, and we promise him that we will come to you from time to time for more advice. Our government, thank you once again.